Hello guys, welcome back to our AI agent tutorials, and in this video we're gonna finalize our invoice workflow that you can see here. So it starts with a Google Drive trigger that imports the latest document that you have updated on the folder, and then it goes on like you must have seen in the previous videos. So the purpose of this video is to allow the team to know about the updated Google Docs. So for that, we will have to send the link of our Google Docs to our team. This is the link I'm talking about. Okay, so we go back to our canvas and run the workflow. So everything is triggered. This is running, the model is generating the details, and the email is being created. So here we have another email in our inbox. So this is the kind of email that I'm talking about, in which the workflow is made such that you can see the Google Docs straight from the email. Now it somehow demands an access. Okay, so this was the idea of letting our team know about the updated emails. And for that, let's look at the changes that we have made in our workflow to get this job done. So what I've done is I've just updated the prompt and the create email agent, saying that inform the billing team of the invoice, let them know if we have also updated this in the invoice database, and they can view it here. And this is the link I pasted. As simple as that. And to make sure that things do not go wrong, and to end this loop, we will just add a do nothing, no operation node in front of the send email node, so that it's accurately terminated. And this is the complete workflow that we have in front of us. This goes from importing the updated PDF in the folder all the way to sending an email, involving steps of extracting the details from the file, information extractor, updating the database, then creating the email and then sending it. All the steps completely finished and understood. I hope this workflow has been clear to you. It's a nice foundational workflow that you can build on for the rest of your projects, and this really gives you the idea and essence of how different AI agents using different tools can really help automate your workflows. So this is it for this video. Stay tuned until next time. See ya.